From cooking, I can do pottery as well, so that's why I am MaddyBee. Hello, it's 20th of July. I forgot the date, 2024. So today I'm going for a class, and that is Earth Pottery. So I have to find the place. That is a pottery workshop. You know, I'm a creative person, and what I always think that we can learn anything at any time, any age. Doesn't matter. So let me. So that is Poncharontala, and here I have to find actually. That is Poncharontala stoppage, and then I don't know where is Earth Pottery right now. I have to use the Google map and let me find a place. Simple walking distance here, and I go the Earth Pottery. Inside the place, once I entered, it was really I just feel like a divine place, and there was aroma of saint and the pottery. It was a really very quiet and calm place. I just felt very calm. My workshop timing was from 5 p.m., but I reached earlier, so I was roaming around. It was nice to see the place, the pottery, the handcrafts. It's a beautiful one, a small studio, but it's a very nice one. These are the clay pots made by the students over there, so that was on display, and they can collect it as well. Later, I got to know. The workshop was so good and I was so involved, I forgot to take picture or any video when I was making the clay pots, but later on I have the picture and videos of the clay pot I made. So these are the clay pots I said, made by the students. Even you can buy those things are displayed over there, and I was very happy after my class is over. Hello, it's 6th of August 2024. I'm going to Art Pottery. You know, today I got a message, WhatsApp message from them that whatever I made in the last class, so it's ready for pickup. I was really surprised. Obviously, it's a very nice gesture from them. So I called them and I'm coming today. I mean, I'm just going today. I went for a movie and then I decided, no, I love the pottery studio, so I'll visit again, and at the same time I'll go and check that what I made actually. I'm very shy about that. I'll definitely share. So I'm going to the studio and the art. Here we go. So this is art pottery, and this is what I prepared in the last class. Cool, isn't it? Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. You can follow Madhurima's Kitchen and MaddyBee in Facebook, Instagram and Google as well. Thank you.